Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've created this makeup look here. I was honestly so happy with how it turned out. My skin looked so flawless. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Firstly, I'm going in with this MAC Prep and Prime primer, and that's just going to make my foundation go on really smoothly. And for brows, I've used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this is the Eyeko brow gel. I love this one. It really defines the hairs and makes your brows look really full. For foundation, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this matched perfectly with my neck, so I was really happy about that, and I reckon this is the reason why my skin looked so flawless. And I'm using this Shaaanxo brush and just buffing that all into my skin and making it look flawless. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I love this one. It's an NC15. It really brightens my eye area and covers up all my blemishes and bags under my eyes, so I love this one. If you guys have any concealer suggestions, then leave them down below. And this one is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just applying that to my lids. And then I'm using the Eyeko Beauty Sponge for the first time, and honestly it was so good, and it's a lot more dense than the Beauty Blender, and it really smoothed out my concealer. And then I'm going in with the Mercier Translucent Powder to Bake, and following that I'm going in with the MAC powder, and it's an NC30. After I've set my foundation with the powder, I'm then going to go in with the crease colour, which is Creme Brûlée by Makeup Geek, and then I'm using Cocoa Bear in the crease as well, just to make it look a little bit more intense. And on the lid I'm using two shades, which is Shimma Shimma by Makeup Geek, and then the Tarte palette, and I'm using the shade Funny Girl. And followed by that I'm going to coat my lashes with the Clinique Mascara. And then I'm going to go in with this bronzer for the first time. Oh my gosh, I absolutely loved this bronzer. It made my skin look so good, and I looked so bronzed, and just it made my makeup amazing. To contour, I'm using the Bahama Mama, and I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones and making them look even more defined. And then I'm going in with this Nars blush, and it's in the shade Orgasm. I absolutely love how this blush turned out with the rest of my makeup. I reckon it went really well together. And then following that I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and applying the Mary Luminizer highlight to my cheekbones. And this one is really good. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go, because it's definitely my favourite one. And I'm also applying some to my Cupid's bow and down my nose as well. Nothing unusual. Let's not take the slow. For my lips, I'm using Creme D Nude by MAC. I absolutely love this lipstick. It's by far my favourite one, and it always looks so good with any makeup look. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and I'll see you guys next time.